Hi Mica fam! Ate Myra here. For today's video, tuturo ko po sa inyo step by step kung paano tayo makakapag-order ng Gcash Mastercard online gamit yung ating Gcash app. Alamin din natin magkano nga ba yung Gcash Mastercard at kung gaano katagal yung delivery. Nagkaroon ako ng very slight na problem guys, so alamin din natin sa video na to. Kaya naman kung interested kang malaman, please keep on watching. And Mica fam, alam nyo ba na since September 2018, nung tayo ay nagsimula nitong ating channel, up until now, only 8.2% pa lang yung nakaka-subscribe and 91.8% naman yung hindi pa nakaka-subscribe. Kaya naman, kung isa ka sa 91.8% na hindi pa nakaka-subscribe pero nanonood ng videos ko, then I hope na mag-subscribe ka na ngayon and hit mo na yung notification bell para updated ka every time meron tayong bagong videos, updates, giveaways, and more. And if it's not too much to ask, I hope follow mo na lang din ako sa aking social media accounts, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much! So guys, andito tayo sa ating Gcash account. Punta lang tayo sa Show More, tabi po ng G-Insure. Ayan. And then after that, dito sa Fund Management, tap natin itong Cash Out. And Gcash Mastercard, merong Deliver tsaka Pick Up. Tap po natin itong Deliver. Ayan. Order a Gcash Mastercard online and link it to your Gcash account. Take note guys ha, na kailangan fully verified po yung inyong Gcash account bago kayo mag-order ng Gcash Mastercard. Okay? And fill out lang natin yung Gcash Mastercard order form below. Later, papakita ko yan sa inyo. Don't worry about that. And then after that, take note na yung ating card ay 215 pesos po kasama na yung shipping po doon. Okay? Now, later, papakita ko naman sa inyo step by step yan. So, don't worry. And, ayun, delivery time is 10 working days upon confirmation of receipt of both the order form and the payment po. So, later, alamin natin. Kasi dito sa amin, dito sa Mindanao, definitely mas magiging matagal yan. But, let's see. Alright. So, anyway, ito na yung Gcash Mastercard order form. Fill out ko lang to guys ha. Itong Gcash mobile number, hindi ito. Ito yung Gcash mobile number to which the card will be linked. First name and last name and then delivery or shipping address. Dapat complete yan guys ha. Alright. And then the zip code. Other contact number where courier can call. So, you can enter your phone number here guys. And then tap po natin itong box right here for the terms and conditions. So, enter ko lang to guys, yung information na kailangan. And then, tap natin itong arrow next. And then, after nyan guys, ito na yung confirmation page. So, ayan. Ito na yung Gcash number. Tapos, first name, last name, delivery address. Yung first and last name, ito yung name nung magre-receive po ng card. Okay? And of course, yung address. Kasi ayan nga, yung magiging address at ito yung hahanapin na person. So, very important. And then yung other contact number, yung number nung magre-receive nung card. Alright? So, submit verification details lang tayo. Tap natin yan. Ayun. Thank you. The form was submitted successfully. Take note po natin itong order number guys kasi kailangan natin to para makapag-pay ng ating Gcash Mastercard worth 215 pesos. Now, back lang tayo. Right? Punta tayo sa home ng ating Gcash account. And then after that, then punta tayo sa pay bills. Then, let's go to payment solutions. Pinakababa po. Alright? Tabi po ng others. And then, piliin natin Gcash Mastercard. As you can see, tap natin yan. Guys, payment will be posted within 3 business days. Alright? Now, Gcash mobile number, yung kaninang nilagay nating phone number, yung order number, ilalagay din natin dito. Yung amount is 215 pesos. Email, optional naman siya. So, lagay ko lang dito guys and then tap next. And then, next page guys, confirm lang natin kasi kailangan natin mag-pay ng 215 pesos. Confirm lang tayo. And here you go. Payment received for Gcash Mastercard. And then, tap lang natin itong done. Thank you for using Gcash. And naka-receive din tayo ng SMS. So, let's check. As you can see, Your transaction to Gcash Mastercard amounting to 215 pesos has been processed and your payment will be posted within 3 business days. So, within 3 business days pa mapopost yung ating payment, guys. Update ko kayo, okay? I will let you know. Hi guys, as promised, I'm back for an update. By the way, ng December 3, tayo po ay nag-order ng Gcash Mastercard online. And alam nyo ba guys, December 10, yesterday, na-receive ko na yung Gcash Mastercard. Ang bilis lang, 'di ba? In-expect ko mas matagal than 10 working days. Pero hindi guys eh. It was only, ayan, kayo nang bahalang mag-compute guys. Pero sobrang bilis niya. Hindi ko talaga in-expect considering na taga Mindanao ako. But anyway guys, in case interested kayo malaman how it looks like pagdating sa inyo, ito siya guys. So hindi siya yung kagaya before, pero ito yung Gcash Mastercard ngayon, iba na yung packaging niya. And hindi ko na siya i-open for you guys ha, kasi alam niyo naman yung itsura ng Gcash Mastercard. But anyway, ito lang yung nag-i-experience ko guys, kasi dun sa Gcash Mastercard form, I mean yung order form, yung unang-una doon, yung Gcash mobile number, may instruction doon kung saan mo ililink. Yun yung phone number or Gcash number na ilalagay mo. And sa case, hindi siya for me. Ibibigay ko siya doon sa my Gcash account. So, yung Gcash account number or Gcash mobile number nung pagbibigyan ko ng Gcash Mastercard, yung nilagay ko doon. Only to find out, nagkaroon ng conflict kasi yung courier, which was LBC, kinontak po yung Gcash mobile number nung pagbibigyan ko. So, technically, nakapangalan sa akin, naka-address sa akin, pero yung phone number ay hindi sa akin. So, yun yung naging problem. Pero na-fix naman siya, guys. Glad, sobrang bilis ng delivery. Maybe, depende din sa sitwasyon, guys, ano. I mean, after niyong matanggap yung inyong Gcash Mastercard, you have to link it sa inyong Gcash app. Okay? And then, if you don't know kung paano ililink yan, watch nyo po itong video and make sure to watch till the end kasi ang daming nagka-problem sa paglilink ng kanilang Gcash Mastercard. If you have any questions guys, feel free to comment down below and sana nakatulong kahit paano itong video na to sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. At kung hindi ka pa part ng Mica fam, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka every time meron tayong bagong videos, merong bagong updates, and merong giveaways for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.